Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Himesh from Himshori of Beat. So this is our first time putting a vlog in our channel. So hope you enjoy this vlog. If you enjoy, please smash that like button, comment, share and subscribe with all notifications enabled. Thank you. Now we are going to go somewhere called Dubai Festival City. So we got a news like in Dubai Festival City all the Christmas festival is happening over there and some Christmas decorations, those types of stuff is also happening over there, and we are going to go there and we are going to share the experience with you guys. Okay, so let's go. So guys, we are getting into a car. Yeah. Okay, so guys, I'm in the front seat. Aishwari.
Yeah. Hi.
And this is my mom. Okay. So we'll just show you the way and the outside view when we are going. So guys, we have arrived at the mall. Look at it.
Cool.
It's so big too. And guys, there's IKEA also in front of us. These are all the taxi spots. Cab stand.
Is that the mall?
So guys, this is the mall guys. So big. So guys, we have reached the mall now, and look. Yeah, so we are just finding for it. We have not found that. We have not found that thing yet. The celebration area. So we are going to search for that and ask some people about it. Okay.
Thank you.
Guys, we have officially reached the Christmas celebration. Guys, I'll just show you. Guys, look at it. This looks so damn wow. I love it. This looks like a farewell. A carnival. It looks like a carnival happening. Wow guys, look at it. Guys, look at the big Christmas star. Wow, guys, this is the area where all kids can come and enjoy. Guys, like there is snow, all different kinds of games, stuff, everything, and all some lightnings and all. Guys, look. So You have to take your kids over here, guys. This is a really enjoyable place, and for you guys also, this is gonna be a really enjoyable place. So don't forget, it is in Dubai Festival City, guys. So we'll just show you the rest of the visuals. So guys, we have finished the first part, and this is the second part. We are going. Walk your way to adventure. Let's just see what is all over there. So guys, we are at the area called the Arch. So guys, in the Arch there are a lot of adventurous activities you can do. Like the first one is the zip line. Like zip line, I don't know how much distance, but you have to see the height, guys. This is amazing. And the second one is called the bungee jumping or quick flight. You go down, something will be connected, you'll just go down, you'll just be so scared, like from a high building you just go down. That is also a good experience. And the third one is called stack pump. Stack pump, in a small area you can ride in bicycles or like small bikes. And the fourth one is rock climbing. In rock climbing you can do so you can just climb rocks which will be given handed. And the last and final one is the bag jump. Bag jump is like there'll be a full airbag where you have to jump like same like a trampoline. So these are the items which you can come here. This is gonna be a very good experience if you come to the Arch. I'll just send the photo. I'll just share the photo to you guys. Just saw something really designed, guys. Look at this, guys. This is literally designed so well with all the lights and all. Man, they really did a very hard work to it, and this looks really amazing. Guys, we just finished it. Oh my god, guys, that was really amazing, guys. It was like something which kids would like and you would like. It's like a carnival what was happening over there. We could get artificial snow, which was so damn cold, guys. There were artificial snowman, so cold. Everyone should go there once. And people who are in UAE should go over here, as it is still only there till Christmas. Please, guys, you have to really go there. So we'll just share the location in the description. Go there, enjoy everything you see. So let's see what are we going to do next. So guys, we are going back to our home. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, subscribe and comment to our video. Thank you.